Robinsons Bank Corporation, also known as our bank, is a commercial bank. So when we say commercial bank, this is the institution that makes commercial loans and issue transaction deposits. Our bank provides a banking service for retail and businesses customers in the Philippines. Robinsons Bank is a majority owned by JG Summits Holding Incorporated. They offer a myriad of service and for individuals, consumers such as savings, time deposit, loans, investment, as well as debit and credit cards suited to your needs. They are also considered as the newest and one of the fastest growing commercial banks in the Philippines in terms of capitalization and asset size.
Robinsons Bank history. Robinsons Bank started as savings bank in November 1997 amid the backdrop of the Asian financial crisis. In 2002, as they acquired ABN AMRO, their overall branches became 27. They were licensed to operate the branches and bank deposit portfolio. In 2010, Robinsons Savings Bank was converted into a commercial bank, naming the newly changed institutions as Robinsons Bank Corporation. At this year, they currently owned 56 overall branches as they acquired Royal Bank Scotland in the Philippines. In 2012, as they acquired Legazpi Savings Bank with 100% subsidiary of Robinsons Bank, the overall branches grew and became 76 in total. In 2015, Robinsons Bank released its first ever Visa debit card that made a big hit. This year, the recorded capital infusion hit 6.1 billion pesos, and they currently have 125 overall branches. In 2017, when DOS, MasterCard, credit card, personal online banking, and mobile app were launched, and Robinsons Bank had 146 total branches. In 2019, Robinsons Bank offered bank assurance, where arrangement between bank and an insurance company allows the insurance company to sell its product to the bank's client base. They also start merchant acquiring, wherein conducted with the use of payment cards as part of their service provided to a merchant. During this year is where they also launched a program direct to bank and simple savings. They also had a capital infusion of 3 billion. During 2019, they have a total of 162 branches. In the year 2019, with a total branch of 168, Robinsons Bank Corporation hit 5 billion pesos core bond issuance. At the same year, they released their three of the most successful programs: the Arbank Cashback Credit Card, Go Salary Loan Online Channel, and Ipon Surance. Mission, vision, and core values. Mission. Their mission aims at being committed to providing the best experience for customers, winning employees, having outstanding returns, and being a responsive organization. Vision. We are the bank of choice driven to fulfill your changing needs. Their core values prioritizes concern for the individual excellence, leadership, teamwork, integrity, and change.
Robinsons Bank is 60% owned by JG Summit Capital Service Corporation, a wholly owned subsidiary of JG Summit Holdings Incorporation, and 40% owned by Robinson Retail Holdings Incorporation, a listed company since November 2013. JG Summit Capital Service Corporations and Robinson Retail Holdings Incorporations are both Filipino corporations and voting stockholders of the bank. Under ownership structure, these are the companies under Robinson's strategic planning. While these are the companies under core investment. Lastly, these are the companies under emerging investments. of Directors. The chairman of Robinsons Bank is Mr. Lance Y. Gokongwei. He is the only son of the late John Gokongwei Jr. who founded JG Summit. He owns a percentage on Robinsons Retail. Alfred Antonio S. Sarte, who is the President and Chief Executive Officer of the bank, Vice Chairman of the Board of Directors of the Gaspi Savings Bank, Director of the Bankers Association of the Philippines, and the Chairman of the Board of Directors of Philippine Cleaning House Corp. While this is Mr. Frederick Vigo, who acts as the Vice Chairman of the Robinsons Bank. These are the rest of directors: Robina Y. Gokongwei Pe, Patrick Henry Sigo, Omar Byron Pinier, and Roberto S. Garland. On the other hand, the following are the independent directors: David C. Mercado, Hemogenes S. Rojas, Teodoro M. Panganiban, and Catalina S.
Services of Robinsons Bank. First, on products. Robinsons Bank offers a variety of products, yet its main offerings can be divided into two: deposits and loans. Robinsons Bank offers three variations of deposits: savings account, checking account, and time deposit. Savings account is an account wherein customers can deposit their money while in return earning a modest amount of interest. On the other hand, a checking account is considered as a checkbook for funds disbursement. Robinsons Bank will also provide them with credit cards to access their funds anytime. Lastly, time deposit is an interest-bearing bank account. This takes care of the customer's money for a certain period of time, and in return, Robinsons Bank will repay the customers in the form of earned interest. Moving on to loans, Robinsons Bank also offers three variations of loans: corporate and SME loans, credit cards, and treasury and global markets. First, corporate and SME loans. These are ideal for companies wanting to fund short-term needs such as office equipment, spaces, or just cash for day-to-day operations. On the other hand, credit cards are easy-to-access cards that function on a deferred payment basis. Lastly, treasury and global markets help manage cash, investment, and financial assets. This makes the company finances run more smoothly.
Robinsons Bank also offer a variety of service. First is cash management. Under a cash management, Robinsons Bank offers a three individual service, naming payables, collection, and remittance.
Management. First is payables. Payables audits and processes all invoices in a timely manner. Example of this can be payroll service and electronic crediting. Collections, on the other hand, pertains to the money owed to the Robinsons Bank by its customers. Payments were made easier by the Robinsons Bank by providing three ways: over-the-counter, automated teller machine, or also known as ATM, and online banking. The last service under cash management is remittances. This pertains to a payment of money that is transferred to another party. Robinsons Bank uses Western Union Remittance Facility. It is a reliable facility that Robinsons Bank uses to regularly send money.
Payment services, on the other hand, includes trust services, which is an arrangement that allows a third party to hold assets or property for a beneficiary or beneficiaries. Under this is the Unit Investment Trust Fund, which offers a simple method of investing in a diversified portfolio. Next is electronic banking channel services, which facilitate a banking transaction with major use of technology. Third is bank assurance, which is an arrangement between a bank and an insurance company. The insurer is able to sell the bank's customer. Last are the ancillary services, services offered by the banks that are not payment services, lending, or deposit facilities.
Roles and contributions. The role of Robinsons Bank in the Philippine financial system as a commercial bank is that they offer innovative and competitive financial products and services. They also provide financial services to the general public and business, ensure economic, social stability, and sustainable growth of the economy, provide loans and issue transactions deposits, and they help create capital and liquidity in the market. Robinsons Bank's role as a credit creator, wherein they create credit by advancing loans and purchasing securities and lends money individuals and businesses out of deposits accepted from the public. Robinsons Bank contributes in a way that they ensure a healthy and sound credit market. They also complied with the Credit Information System Act as a submitting entity that is continuously strengthening credit's quality structure as lending volume grows.